Good morning.
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 Gunnar, do you
Oh.
have something to say?
No, not at all.
Well, but I have.
You.
So, you can win something really cool. This beautiful package while signing up on patreon.com/toyrband. When can you win all this, Gunnar?
I guess June 20th, they say.
This year.
It's a good option. So,
Look at that.
It is the unopened version of Valkyria, the box set.
the deluxe edition.
And
Woohoo.
it holds the hammer with the 2 logo on. And there's a plectrum. Tuir, Hel, Gunnar signed. And now we are all going to sign
Sign
the
the
inside
box.
of this. My ugly handwriting. Go ahead.
Give me
It
that.
is.
Yes, sir. The lefty.
And
There you go. Oh, wait.
A little backstory. I won this on, I don't know how many tours, but many tours, playing live. I didn't play with this, but these are my signature picks. Very cool.
so
Very cool.
the basic
We
point.
have just been at a festival in Horen, Migrant Festival. Went really well. That was the first show for a long time.
Over a year.
So
Yep.
we're hoping to see you somewhere soon on tour.
On the road. Take care.
Take care, people.